My little family and I love being in the nature and going for long walks. My son wants to be outdoors the whole day, is running around and collecting all kind of things like flowers. So I thought to dry the flowers and put them in pendants made of salt. It's super easy and you can make it also with your kids. For the dough you need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of salt, which you mix with each other. After that you roll it plain and cut out your forms. Don't forget the little holes to hang them up later. Now you can press the flowers in and dry them in the oven or sun. I arranged them in this wreath with fresh flowers for a really beautiful spring-like wall hanging.